Hello everyone, my name is Sudeep Das. Currently I am working at Computer Vision and Pattern Recognition Unit of Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata. Presently holding a research position here and leading a group of computer vision in the same lab of CPR unit. Generally speaking, last several years our group has been working passionately towards solving various problems of autonomous driving, specifically the problems of pedestrian detection, segmentation and human pose estimation. For the research of multispectral pedestrian detection, we are working in collaboration with the leading automotive company Value R&D from India and Ireland. Pedestrian detection is a fundamental research area of computer vision. Precisely detecting pedestrian using a detector is profoundly influenced by the development of efficient deep learning based models which can help to understand where the pedestrian is and the size of the pedestrian as well. There are a number of important applications of pedestrian detection such as autonomous driving, robotics, augmented reality and video surveillance. Among them most significant is autonomous driving. Here we will see a video of driverless car developed by Nvidia which is moving to different places without anyone in the driver's seat.
Good. The universal sign for auto. Go. Got it.
Efficiency of a driver assistance system or an autonomous driving system depends on their degree of reliability and robustness in detecting pedestrians even in bad weather and lighting conditions as well. It should perform equally efficient at night time, and it is a known fact that a large proportion of pedestrian-related accidents take place in the night time. Generally speaking, it is a really challenging task to detect pedestrians from RGB or visible images at night time. In our research, we are presently focusing on the problem of detecting pedestrians at night time. By our research, we have also observed that it is not able to detect pedestrian accurately if we consider to detect only from the thermal images, since the thermal image is incapable to understand semantic of the pedestrian. It can only understand geometric of the pedestrians. As per literature, various research groups already attempt to solve the problems of detecting pedestrians on multispectral images. Nonetheless, those methods mostly show the poor performance when they tested under either restricted or excessive or non-uniform illumination. Here we take a further step to solve the problems. In our research, we have incorporated the multimodal images as the input to separate encoders. After extracting the features from both modalities, we feed the features map to the next module, which is feature fusion. Here comes our major contribution to design a efficient cross-modal feature fusion mechanism that helps to boost the detection performance of pedestrian accurately. We then pass the blended feature maps to a detection branch for the purpose of detecting pedestrians. Our extensive experiment on three public datasets KAIS, CBC14, UTOKIO show that our proposed method for multispectral pedestrian detection has received state-of-the-art results. To check the performance of our model in different lighting conditions, we have tested over the images captured at day and night time as well. But in the both cases, our model is working toward detecting the pedestrian precisely. So from our research, we can conclude that not only multispectral images helps to boost the performance, it is also relying on an efficient fusion mechanism to blend the features of both the modalities for the purpose of accurate detection. Feel free to contact with me by the mentioned email IDs if you have any queries. And we are also looking for self-motivated students to join our groups. Thank you.